everyone, welcome back to Behind The Posh. And today we are back with another wig tutorial. Yes, girl. So I had to get Miss Reeva. I have been seeing her on some latest influencers. So here I'm just showing you the details and the specs of the wig. She comes in a number 2. I don't know the exact density, but she is very, very heavy. Very, very heavy. This allows for you to like, so got some crochets in. So I'm just gonna take those out and like wet my hair down and stuff. Cause like, I'm trying to keep heat, of course, because I have like so much heat damage. Look at that heat damage in the front versus this. This is so bad. So I'm gonna just wear, wigs on and off. Till like all this grows back, because it was decent, and I put a sew in and put in a bob. No, suck. If you like are pressing your hair all the time, and which I did, and it's showing. But anywho, let me pull this up just a little bit so I'm not feeling like I'm like coming neck down. Do you guys? Okay, there we go. This is much better. So I'm just gonna go ahead. So here I am braiding down my hair to add on the frontal wig. This is actually my first frontal wig. So this was definitely a learning process for me. I think next time I'm going to use a cap. I didn't use a cap this time. I was just kind of trying to get her on and get into the look, but I don't know, it just seems like caps like make it hard for the lace to like look good. So I don't know, maybe next time. Okay, so now we've got her on. At this point, I'm like, okay, this is gonna need quite a bit of customizing. So here I am cutting off the ear, extra ear portion. I think it's a 13x6, which was like really long for me. So definitely needs to cut the ends of the like ear to ear. So once I cut off the ear portion, I started to go in with the Gust-to-Be glue around the perimeter of my hair. And I wanted to let the first layer dry. So you do 2 layers. That's what I've been told to do. It seemed to work out pretty good for me. So I think I'll do that. Next time, I definitely am going to sew like the wig down in certain parts just so that'll help keep what's molded on the hairline down better. I feel like that would work much better. But here I am after the second application, just kind of like pushing in the lace to melt it.
from my mama, and I can make you better, boy. So take this risk if you wanna. A real lover girl.
So here I am, just cutting off the excess lace, and after some extra gluing and lace cutting, we got to the end here. I have a little bit of glue on my forehead there, as you can see, so just kind of clean that up with like some little dab of soap and water. But overall, I think it came out pretty good. As my first frontal, like I said, just cleaned up the area a bit. Once you get into the light, you can kind of see what it is that you need to adjust over time. But here I'm just gonna add some videos and pictures to show you how the look came out all together. I would rate it about a 7. The density is very high. I don't really like synthetic wigs that have a lot of hair on them. I also don't like, very lightweight, but it was a lot to deal with.